Why India testing Agni-5 is a milestone moment. Indigenously developed Agni-5 missile with a multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle technology was successfully tested by the Defense Research and Development Organization as part of mission Divyastra on March 11th. Launched from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island in Odisha, the flight was monitored using telemetry and many radar stations, and it accomplished all the designed parameters. MIRV technology allows the single intercontinental ballistic missile to carry and deliver multiple warheads at different locations. The test pushes India into the higher levels of nuclear deterrence capability and building redundancy. Countries like Indonesia and Australia, as well as international air and maritime traffic in the test zone, had to be alerted. Moreover, Indian Navy warships, with DRDO scientists and tracking and monitoring systems, were positioned midway and near the impact point in the southern Indian Ocean. Agni-5 missile. Agni-5 launch tests had begun in April 2012 at the Integrated Test Range at Abdul Kalam Island. The first launch flight time lasted 20 minutes, and the third stage fired the re-entry vehicle into the atmosphere at an altitude of 800 kilometers. With the seventh test was in December 2018. Agni-5 pre-induction trials were over. As part of user trial, Agni-5 was successfully launched on December 15, 2022, first night trial of Agni-5 was successfully carried out by Strategic Forces Command. The launch also proved striking capability beyond 7,000 plus kilometers. On March 11, 2024, the maiden flight test of the Agni-5 missile using MIRV technology was declared successful. It can carry 10 to 12 warheads weighing total of up to around 4,000 kg as part of MIRV. The missile is powered by a three-stage solid propellant rocket missile. Its canister launch missile system is distinct from those of the earlier Agni missiles. It took its first stage from Agni-3 with a modified second stage and a miniaturized third stage, enabling it higher operational ranges. The range has also increased because the missile weight has reduced due use of composite materials. The range has also increased. The maximum terminal phase speed is close to Mach 25. As the name signifies, it can spew fire. The missile uses ring laser gyroscope inertial navigation system, which may be augmented by GPS Nav-IC satellite guidance. Ring laser gyroscope inertial navigation system. Its accuracy is below 10-meter circular error probability. The presently land-based missile has launcher which is rail or road mobile. The canister design reduces the reaction time drastically to just a few minutes from stop to launch. Agni-5, even if launched from central India, will be able to cover farthest points in China. Carl W. Similar to missiles with 10,000 kilometers range, the transition to the next variants will be easier. The state-of-the-art technology developed indigenously is a firm step in the direction of India becoming Atmanirbhar. President Draupadi Murmu. This system is equipped with indigenous avionics systems and high-accuracy sensor packages. Proud of our DRDO scientists for mission Divyastra, the first flight test of indigenously developed Agni-5 missile with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle technology. The project director is a woman, and there are a sizable number of women contributors. What is MIRV? The multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles allow each missile to carry between 2 and 14 or more separate nuclear warheads. Each warhead can be assigned to a different target, separated by hundreds of kilometers. Alternatively, 2 or more warheads can be assigned to one target. MIRVs ensure a credible second strike capability even with few missiles. Anti-satellite version of Agni-5. India carried out its anti-satellite test on March 27, 2019, using the designated Prithvi Defense Vehicle Mark II, a part of the Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program. The interceptor struck a test satellite at a 283 kilometers altitude in low Earth orbit, thus making Mission Shakti a successful ASAT missile test.